Welcome. If you want to get this iOS launcher in your Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro, so right now I'm gonna show you how to get it. So for the first, I'm gonna just delete this. Okay, and we are back with the Xiaomi launcher. And right now, let's go for the Play Store. And as you can see, we got here the search pool. So click on it and type iOS launcher and get this launcher from the Lutin developer. Click here, tap on the install. And right now, just wait a little bit. Click on the open. Oh, there's the battery saver, but I don't want to activate it. Click allow 3 times. And right now, just click here and tap on the remember my choice. And of course, we have to select our iOS launcher. Click on it, we got it. And as you can see, right now, our launcher has changed. So I hope that'll help you guys. And if I do, I'll leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course, subscribe to our channel. See ya.